Alright, hey guys, good afternoon and welcome to simplerstocks.com. Sort of trade of the day idea, this short video before I hop over into the premium video with new ideas, review of portfolio, etc. And so I'm trying to come to you with an idea kind of the day, I guess, if you will. And I'm first, in the way of disclosure, I've been buying this particular stock myself, and so just so you know that. Um, but I'm buying it for a reason because I've been watching this bounce off this 2 standard deviation move down in this 108 areas where I started picking them up actually. And so I've been doing this in the trade room and showing everybody, why I like this. And this is ticker CELG, as you can see in the upper left-hand corner, CELG. And it's not my favorite stock. I'll show you my favorite one in just a second, but I've already shown it to you in the past, so I'm trying to come up with a new idea for you. Now, I've advised just as recently as today that for folks that were not on this to anticipate my estimation, going to be some overhead in and about this 118, maybe 119, depending on thickness of that line, however you want to draw it right up there. Really called about 118.5. That's 2 deviations off the mean, as well as there's a voodoo tree line that you can see there. So with that, I'd be anticipating price retracement back into the averages right down here and the mean, which has it down around. I'm not going to try to get cute and pick the exact level to the penny, but call it 113, 114, probably 114, so something like that, which pretty much gets you in the 8 period 21 period moving averages as well as essentially the mean, and to treat that as as a fresh new buying opportunity. Now, so there's sort of an idea of the day, I guess, if you will, if you want to know, if you haven't seen a previous video and you don't know, my favorite, literally, in ranking the S&P 100 from top to bottom, this scores absolutely #1, and it's like a 98 on the IBD scale as well. It's a real winner. We've been trading this one actively in the trade room. We've been enjoying it. We're high-fiving and just having a good time with it since, literally this last test of like 100. Today it trades into the rule of 10, quote unquote, if you will, up at 110, finds voodoo line up there for it to maybe pull back. This is what we talked about today, give another buying opportunity. 105, 107, so something like that. I mean, it just came from, 100 essentially up to 110, pull back half, it'd be back to 105, puts it on the averages in the mean, etc., etc., etc. This would be another good one. A lot of you already know about this. I apologize for the redundancy, nature of the repeat of this, but if there's anybody in here that's new to this, relatively new, they may not be aware of this. This is GILD, Gilead Sciences, literally el numero uno, #1 pick. But anyway, so I hope that helps. I'm going to hop over into the premium video and review some of our portfolio, which is actually, it was up really nicely today. Obviously, the market was up, today too, so that's not terribly surprising. But all right, I hope this helps. Good trading. Good evening. Catch you at the next update. Good night.